Looking for earth-moving machinery and logistics? Upper Hill Logistics Limited has you covered. We are your construction partners. We have bulldozers for hire, excavators for hire, light and heavy-duty cranes, telehandlers, scissor lifts, cherry pickers and much more. We do recovery services, construction services, heavy cargo haulage, light and heavy lifting. We offer transport solutions, earth-moving solutions, equipment supply solutions, etc. Don't gamble with your investment. Trust professionals. Upper Hill Logistics Limited.